It will be very embarrassing when your friend tells you to work out this maths problem for him or her, then suddenly you pick the calculator instead of working it out the correct way. So let me show you on how to work it out without using the calculator. So make sure you watch it up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution we shall have 9 to the power of a is equals to 900. So we are trying to find the value for a. So in order to work it out the correct way, we shall now introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 9 to the power of a is equals to the log of 900. So from there, when we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So now we shall now have a, the log of 9 is equals to the log of 900. So from there, we shall now pick it as a log 9 is equals to the log of 900. So we shall now divide both sides by the log of 9. So this side also we shall divide by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel. So now our a is equals to the log of 900 all over the log of 9. So let's now factorize the number that we have. So our a is equals to, so the log of 900 can also be written as the log of 9 multiplied by 100. We just put them into bracket all over the log of 9. So when we now want to open the bracket, since this one is a multiplication, we shall now have to put the addition sign because we are following the rule of exponential equation. So our value for a is equals to, now we shall have the log of 9 plus the log of 100, then all of them shall divide by the log of 9. So let's now divide by the log of 9 in the right way. So now we shall have something like this. So our value for a is equals to the log of 9 all over the log of 9, then plus the log of 100 all over the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel. So when it cancels, now we shall remain with 1. So our value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 9. So our calculation doesn't end there because we still need to factorize log 100 all over the log of 9. So now we shall say that, so when you factorize it, we shall remain with our a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 100 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 25, then all over the log of 9. So our a here is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall remain with the log of 4. So here now we shall have addition plus the log of 25, then all over the log of 9. So meaning that we shall divide both sides by the log of 9. So here now the next step we shall say that a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 25 can also be written as 5 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2, then all over this one now can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2. So next, our value for a is equals to 1 plus, so in this case here now we shall have 2 the log of 2, then all over this one now shall have 2 the log of 3, then plus, so we shall have 2 log of 5, then all over 2 log of 3. So next we shall now say that value of a is equals to 1 plus, so 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have log 2 all over the log of 3, then add 2 by 2 shall cancel, now we shall have the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So let me take you something small, whereby assuming that we are working out this, then we have the log a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So similarly, the final answer to this maths problem, we shall now have our value for a to be equals to, so this one is our final answer, is equals to 1, this one, plus, so the log of 2 to the base of 3, we shall now have the log 2 to base 3, then plus, so this one now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 3. So this one now qualifies to be our correct answer. So we can still confirm it very fast and check if it is really the true answer that we have. So let's now confirm it. So because we are confirming it, the answer that we've got earlier is that A is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So what was our question? Our question was 9 to the power of A is equals to 900. So in this case, where there is A, we shall write the equation that we have there. So let's now have it out. So 9 to the power of A, or 9 alone, can be written as, or we can now have it as 9, then to the power 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 3 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So let's is equals to 900. So let's now confirm if it's bring 900. So 9 to the power of 1, we can still have it as 3 to the power of 2, because that one is still 9. So to the power of 1, then the plus means it's multiplication. So here now we shall have 3 again to the power of 2, which is 9, to the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus again 3 to the log of 5 to the base of 3, then is equals to 900. So from there now we shall say that, sorry, I was forgetting 3 to the power of 2. So from there now we shall say that here now we shall have 3 to the power of 2, we shall have it as 9, then multiply by, so here now we shall have 3 to the power of, so this one is the log of 4, because this one is the log 2 to the power of 2 to the base of 3, then so we have said that it's multiplication. We multiply again 3 to this one now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 2 to the power of 2 base 3 is equals to 900. So here now we shall say that 9 there multiplied by, so here now we shall have, so the log to the base of 3 shall cancel this 3, so now we shall have 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Then from there multiply by, so here now we shall say that log 3 to the base of 3, so now we shall have 5 to the power of 2, that is 5 times 5, that gives us 25. That is equals to 900. Now so here now we shall now have 9 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 25 is 100 is equals to 900. So 9 multiplied by 100 is 900 is equals to 900. So means that our answer is correct. When we now see that the value for A is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 3 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So this one now qualifies to be our correct answer. See you in our next video.